Replacing the door module in the rear door of the model W204 wagon. First, remove the door lining on the rear door. If a window roller blind is installed as special equipment, unhook it now. Remove the 2 torx screws under the armrest. The door lining is held in place on the inside of the door by a total of 8 attachment clips. There is a felt washer between each clip and the door module to prevent rattling noises. Removing the door lining requires a delicate touch. Insert the plastic wedge in the gap between door lining and door. Slide the wedge in as close as possible to the clip and lever the clip out. Be careful not to tear out the attachment clips on the door lining. Then pull off the door lining towards the front. The retaining lug for the Bowden cable is held in place by tabs. Press the tabs together to unclip the retaining lug. Then, unhook the inside door opener of the Bowden cable from the door handle.